developments.
158, I got
The official National Weather Service forecast for Philadelphia and the Delaware Valley. Winter storm warning in effect until midnight Wednesday night. Tonight, no. Snow accumulation of 4 to 8 inches. Lows in the upper 20s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour, increasing to northeast 10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of snow near 100%. Wednesday, snow with a chance of sleet in the morning, then snow in the afternoon. Snow may be heavy at times in the afternoon. Total snow accumulation of 12 to 18 inches. Windy with highs in the lower 30s. Northeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, becoming north 20 to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Wednesday night, cloudy. Snow likely in the evening. Additional snow accumulation up to 1 inch possible. Windy with lows in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, west 7 to 25 miles an hour. Chance of snow 60%. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Risk with highs in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 19. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 20. That's the extended forecast. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 20. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Lows around 20. President's Day, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s.
42 to 11, not sure if you're aware of the
9 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport.
Could be mail versus female, no weapons, no
Visibility to 1/4 of a mile. The temperature is 28 degrees to 2.28 degrees, and the relative humidity 100%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 29.88 inches of falling. At the Newcastle County Airport in Wilmington, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 29 degrees to 2.28 degrees, and the relative humidity 96%.
158, be advised, the daughter's
The
mail
pressure
back
was
in today.
29.87 inches and falling. Here are some conditions across eastern Pennsylvania at 9 p.m. At Coatesville, snow was falling with a temperature of 28. At Wilkes-Barre, Scranton, it was cloudy with a temperature of 32. At northeast Philadelphia, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 30. At Willow Grove, snow and fog were